CNC spinning machine description. One with mature CAD drawing programming software functions. The motion trajectory of the rotary wheel can be straight lines, arcs, multi-arc connecting lines, and combined curves, etc., and input them into the computer for standardized programming of passes. The operator can input process parameters and spinning passes through the keyboard and operation panel and can edit, store and call at will. 3. It has the copy protection function of the core mode outline, that is, the rotary wheel will not collide with the core mode during process adjustment and recording and teaching. 4. In the automatic program of the machine tool, the feed speed and spindle speed can be pulled, equipped with travel limit protection, software and hardware limit protection in the control system, fault detection, and alarm functions. 5. Automatic fault detection, automatic diagnosis and overload protection for each unit when starting up. 6. According to the user's requirements, it can realize the spinning forming of parts with various special shapes and ensure that the shape, diameter, thinning rate, and other related dimensions of the workpiece meet the requirements. 7. Trimming, flaning, crimping, necking, rolling and other functions can be completed in the same machine tool.